In today's video, I'm going to teach you why your LinkedIn profile might be considered dead and how you can effectively breathe new life into it. To get started, open your browser and navigate to LinkedIn by typing in linkedin.com. Once you're there, log in using your preferred method. You could use your Google or Microsoft account, or simply enter your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you'll likely need to verify your account through a code sent to your phone. It's an excellent way to enhance your account security. Now that you're logged in, let's delve deeper into understanding what a dead LinkedIn profile actually is. Simply put, a dead profile is one that isn't generating much engagement or opportunities for your career. It's not really serving its purpose as a networking and career development tool. But don't worry, we can fix this by focusing on some key components of your profile, starting with your headline. This should be strong and compelling, something that grabs attention and makes people want to know more about you. Next up is your profile picture. Ensure it's professional because first impressions are crucial, and a sharp photo sets the right tone for anyone visiting your profile. After you've refined your headline and profile picture, let's shift our focus to one of the most important sections, your About section. Here, you should craft a narrative that tells people who you are professionally. Highlight your key achievements and define your professional identity succinctly. While you're at it, consider engaging more with the LinkedIn community. This could mean posting updates, commenting on others' posts, or even just liking content. Doing so can significantly increase your visibility on the platform. Move through your profile and look for any missing or outdated information. You want to avoid having a generic-looking profile. Instead, make sure you fill out every section thoroughly and keep everything updated with your latest roles and accomplishments. Another crucial element is listing your skills. A well-rounded skills list doesn't just highlight your expertise, it also boosts your chances of receiving endorsements, which can enhance your credibility. To do this effectively, make sure you add relevant skills for each job in your experience section. This level of detail presents you as knowledgeable and skilled in your field, making your profile more appealing to both recruiters and industry peers. As a final touch, seek endorsements from colleagues or connections to further substantiate your highlighted skills. By focusing on these areas, you can transform your LinkedIn profile from static and lifeless to dynamic and engaging. With these strategies in place, you'll not only amplify your LinkedIn visibility but also maximize the potential of the platform to expand your professional network.